Tools and fittings required. You are going to need the deck foot issued, two 4.8 times 19mm screws or 4.8 times 25mm screws if drilling into teak, a size 2 posi screwdriver, a 3.8mm drill bit, countersink drill bit, electrical drill and silicone based mastic. To start off, you are going to need to get your 3.8mm drill bit and electrical drill. Then using a tape measure, you are going to need to mark where the foot is to be placed according to the deck plan or measurements given to you. Then, while placing the deck foot in place, mark holes with the drill as shown. After this, you can then go on to drill the holes the full way through. Next, you will need to then countersink those holes to reduce the risk of cracking and clean the surface area around the holes. The next step will then be to fill those holes with a silicone based mastic so that they are sealed when screwed into, and then using the 4.8 times 19mm screws or 4.8 times 25mm screws, screw your deck foot into place, ensuring that it is tightened all the way down, and that is how you fit a Tecsew issue deck foot.